CashApp to SoFi, the money transfer mystery. Ever since the rise of fintech apps, managing money has become a juggling act. We've got bank accounts, investment platforms, budgeting apps, and then there are the peer-to-peer payment services like CashApp. But what happens when your money gets siloed across these platforms? Can you easily transfer funds between them, like moving money from CashApp to your SoFi account for investing? That's the question we're tackling today. SoFi, short for social finance, offers a one-stop shop for managing your finances, checking, investing, student loan refinancing, you name it. CashApp, on the other hand, is a popular choice for splitting bills with friends, sending quick payments, and even investing in a limited capacity. But can these two financial powerhouses play together? Here's the thing, CashApp doesn't directly integrate with SoFi for seamless transfers. There's no built-in option to link your accounts and whisk money between them with a tap. But fear not, finance friends. There are a couple of workarounds you can use to bridge the gap between your CashApp and SoFi accounts. Workaround number 1, the classic bank transfer. This might feel a little old-fashioned, but it's a reliable method. Here's how it works. Log into your CashApp. Navigate to the Cash Out section. This is usually where you withdraw funds from CashApp to your bank account. Select the withdraw option. You'll likely see different options for withdrawal speed, standard, which takes a few business days, and instant, which comes with a fee. Choose your withdrawal method. Here's the key part. Instead of selecting your debit card for instant withdrawal, you'll want to pick the bank transfer option. Link your SoFi account details. This includes your SoFi routing number and account number. You can find these details easily within the SoFi app or online banking platform. Confirm the transfer amount and initiate the withdrawal. Heads up, bank transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days to process, so keep that in mind when planning your transfers. Additionally, CashApp might charge a small fee for bank transfers depending on the amount and withdrawal speed you choose. Workaround number 2, the debit card shuffle. This method involves a little more finesse, but it can be faster if you need the money in your SoFi account quickly. Here's the breakdown. Link your SoFi debit card to your CashApp. You can usually find this option in the CashApp settings under linked accounts. Transfer money from your CashApp balance to your linked SoFi debit card. This acts like a payment to your debit card, so the funds should be available instantly. The money will now reside in your SoFi checking account, linked to your debit card. From here, you can easily transfer it to your SoFi investing account or use it for other purposes. Important note, while this method seems quicker, keep an eye out for potential fees. CashApp might charge a fee for transferring funds to a linked debit card, especially if it's a large amount. SoFi and CashApp. While SoFi and CashApp don't have a built-in integration for direct transfers, the two workarounds we discussed offer solutions. The classic bank transfer is a reliable option, albeit a bit slower. The debit card shuffle can be faster but might come with additional fees. Ultimately, the best method depends on your specific needs. Need a guaranteed transfer without worrying about fees? The bank transfer is your friend. Need the funds in your SoFi account ASAP and willing to potentially pay a small fee? The debit card shuffle might be the way to go. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.